This is Heidi and Gretchen and Rob up at the top of Snowhaven Hill with their friend Taryn from school. And they're all coming down together. How was it, girls? How was it?
Good, good. Jerry, hurry up. It's coming. Hurry. We have to catch up with Emma. Whoa.
Has he taken a break yet?
I don't even know. He's hanging out with some dude.
Older gentleman?
Yeah.
That's Tom, our bus driver.
Okay.
He's safe.
Okay. And I don't see him now.